Hello guys, and welcome to the channel once again. Today in this video, I will be guiding you on how to secure your Pi tokens. Okay, and this video is for pioneers who are yet to be migrated. So if you are a pioneer and you are yet to be migrated, this video is for you. Okay, this video is for you. Do not skip, because you can be migrated and yet you may not receive your Pi tokens, because this has happened to so many pioneers out there. They have migrated, but their Pi coins or Pi tokens, they can't find their tokens in their Pi wallet. And this is because sometimes, and then somehow, and then someone close to you who may have access to your Pi account can just log into your Pi account, create a new Pi wallet, and then just log into your Pi account. When a person clicks on the menu, he goes to Mainnet and then scroll to Mainnet checklist. And right here at option 3, which says confirm your Pi wallet, the person, and as you can see, you have your Pi wallet address here. Okay, as you can see, this one starts with G and it ends with 7. Okay, so this is my connected Pi wallet, and the Pi wallet address is GAY6, and it continues that way. So for instance, if someone has access to this particular account, the person can just create a new Pi wallet account, okay, or a new Pi wallet, okay, and then click on confirm, and then all the person has to do now is to just enter the newly generated 24 word phrases here. Okay, when that is done, when the person clicks on confirm, it means the person has now unlinked the wallet address which I have connected, and then the person has linked the newly wallet he or she has generated or created. So now what happens is that when it is time for migration, when Pi core team migrates my tokens, I'll be expecting that I will receive the tokens to this particular wallet address. Okay, but not knowing my wallet address right here has been changed to a new one which I don't know and which I don't have access to. So in this case, let's say the scammer, okay, or anyone who has access to that wallet will be the one to receive my Pi coins when it has been migrated. So now, how do we fix this issue? So this is the best way, to fix this issue. Let me go back. So when you log into your Pi account, click on the menu, and here click on Pi browser to open your Pi browser. You sign in. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so when it opens, just go to wallet, and here you can paste your 24 word phrases here, or you can just continue with your fingerprint. Okay, so when it opens, this is your own Pi wallet, okay, the one you have access to. So all you have to do is to check the address. As you can see, it starts from G and it continues with AY6F. This is the first 5 characters. Okay, this is the first 5 characters, and then the last 5 characters, that's EHSF and then 7. Okay, so you can just get this at the back of your mind, and all you have to do is cross check from your Pi app if this address here is the same one linked to your Pi app right here. So let's go to the Pi app and then let's check from the mainnet and mainnet checklist. Let's go to option 3. Okay, so our confirm wallet is GAY6F. That's the first 5 characters. So let's check it if it's the same. GAY6F. So as you can see from here, is the same, GAY6F, and the last 5 characters, that's EHSF7. And when you check that from here, the last 5 characters is yeah, EHSF7. So this means I have no problem with this particular account. No one has access, no one has changed my address right here, so I am good to go. But if you notice a difference, okay, if in your case you notice a difference in your address, okay, if the address you have in your Pi browser, okay, or your Pi wallet here, if it is different from the one you have here, then it means there is a problem. And all you have to do is just to you just have to change it. Okay, you just have to change it. So you just have to get the passphrase of this very Pi wallet, okay, which you have access to. So when you get that, just come to your Pi app, and then from the option 3 you click on it, and then you paste your phrases. You paste it here. Okay, you paste it here. So I have done mine. So when you paste it here, you just have to click on confirm. So this will fix the error, okay, or the problem. So after doing this, you can just go back and check your address again if it matches the one you have here, and that's that. You are done. But now you have changed it. What shows that the person is not going to change it again? If you are not sure, or if you think somebody has your past your Pi details, your account details, and the person can log in anytime and then change it, all you have to do is change your Pi password. That's the safest thing I think you can do. So in order to change your Pi password, just log into your Pi app. You go to menu, tap on profile, and then you can scroll down till you see password, and as you can see from here, you have update. So you can update your password from here, but I recommend you use email. That's very, very fast in changing your Pi password. So when you click on email, just enter your email here and then continue. You can be able to change your your Pi password. And after doing this, I think even if somebody has access to your Pi, account details, the person can no longer access your Pi account because you have changed your password. So that will be all for this video. Try and secure your Pi, tokens at all cost. And I know many of you already the harm have been done. Okay, if your Pi have been migrated and it did not reflect in your Pi wallet, it means it's gone. Maybe you just check the wallet and you realize it's gone. All you have to do is you still have an unverified balance, and I think you have some portion of small portion of transferable balance, which will be transferred to you. Okay, so all you have to do, you have to follow the same process. Change, create a new. You can create a new Pi wallet and then link it to your account. Okay, and then you wait for the second migration. So that will be all for this video. See you in the next update. Bye bye.